Excuse me as I kiss the sky.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Hey all, it is Soncerae here. Ooh, money, money, money. Money is my bitch. So I know you guys been checking out my making money videos. I'm here to help you get some type of financial stability. I'm also doing this with you as well, so don't feel like I'm already there. We'll be working on this together. I told you I've spent years of my life where I was extremely wealthy and then turn around and I would be extremely broke. It was like, how am I going back and forth like this? And so now I'm at a place where I have a whole new set of goals and I'm actually doing things a lot better than I used to in regards to how I deal with my finances. So I did a video, it was called How I Made $55,000 in a Year Unemployed, and inside of my comment section were a lot of questions, and one of the main questions were, how did I make money off of marketing? Because I did say that I was selling advertising. I was actually selling advertising online and in print with Block 11 Inspirational Magazine. The website is down now and I've been taking donations to try to get that website back up because it's been down for a year now because of my pregnancy and all of the things that went on when I was living inside of the extended stay hotel. I had to pull back on my dreams for a second. Dream deferred, but you know, you can always go back to whatever it is that you was planning on doing. Don't you ever give up. You are not too old. There's no issue with starting over, okay? You start over how many times you have to. Success is about failing, 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 and then bing, success actually happens, okay? Anyone who is an entrepreneur will definitely tell you this, that starting your own business and being a boss of any kind, you fail. You hear no often, and you have to be okay with that. You can always not take no for an answer and make that sale, or you can move on to the next person who is more open to your product, service, or event. Now, as we're talking about entrepreneurship, y'all like my shirt? My shirt says, I'm not human, I'm an entrepreneur. I'm not a human, I'm an entrepreneur. I know, I look sassy, I know. I got this shirt from a business partner of mine, G Money. I know G for like so many years. It has to have been over a decade by now. At least it feels like over a decade. I remember the first time I met him at a photo shoot. And he came to this photo shoot. He had like 3 suits with him. I said, this boy is about to be a damn businessman. I see you. He's always been focused on his business, and I really appreciated that about him. So I ended up using him on one of my media kits. He's actually a business and marketing major at Georgia State University, and he's the creator and founder of Rise of the 1%. So this shirt represents that. He's originally from Atlanta, Decatur, Georgia specifically, and I met him while I was in Atlanta, and you guys know I'm in San Francisco, California right now. With Rise of the 1%, what it is an ad agency. What he does is teach you digital marketing advertising. And what a lot of people don't understand about marketing is, in order for you to have a successful business, you have to have your marketing and public relations in order. Marketing is basically the messages that you use to promote your service, event, or product. In 2016, my Block 11 media kit actually had G Money on it. A media kit is basically a package with information in it about your business or your service, okay? Now, with this thing specifically with Block 11, the media kit actually had the advertising prices inside of it. Like when you go into a website and you see a banner, maybe you see a banner at the top, maybe it's for a Ford, or maybe it's for a motorcycle, maybe it's for some type of hair care product or medicine or whatever. Usually those advertisers pay for that advertisement to be there. And so inside of a media kit, it basically is just telling you the prices for whatever it is you want to put your ad. So with Block 11, I would break down one page into pieces and sell those pieces, or I would actually sell the whole page. Remember, I said I did print and online. So I will actually put the advertisements on the bmagmobile.com or the block11.com website. The core of your business relies on its marketing and its public relations. If you don't have those two things. Now here's the interesting part. I actually had to promote that I promote. You know what I'm saying? Like I had to advertise the fact that I advertise in order to get clients so they could pay me to advertise. When you advertise your business, your service, or your product, you are upping your sales. Your profit sales are amazing after that. No one's going to be able to know anything about your product if you don't advertise it. If you don't have the right marketing, you're not going anywhere. Now, this is what I need you to understand, the 4 P's of marketing. Price, product promo place. That's going to be my next video. We're going to talk about how you market your product. We're going to talk about the 4 P's. I'm going to get very detailed into that. If you want to know more about that, please subscribe. Make sure you put your comments in the comment section below. If you are entrepreneur, business owner, or you got something that you want to promote, please contact me at soncerae@gmail.com, okay? Also, I'm getting a new backdrop so I can film in the house. I got 4 slots left. You can email me. It's $25. I will put your logo on my backdrop / step and repeat. You will get more visibility for your business. When you see the logos at the end of my videos, it's actually the people that sponsor me or the people who have paid for me to put their logos inside of my videos. Business owners, entrepreneurs, motivational speakers, ministers, all types of people watching my videos. I appreciate if you like or share Again, if you want to order a shirt, I will put the link in the description box below. If you click the link below, you will see G Money actually teaching you how to make a couple of $1,000s off of Facebook ads. So if you're trying to get extra money, you can still go to his website and he will show you how to get a couple of extra dollars. Thousands, actually. There's some people out there that want $1,000. I want $1,000 right now. What would I do with extra money right now? If I had some extra money, I could get rid of this mustache. Can't never find a damn parking space around here. I just sit on the couch and eat Milanos. The palm trees. I sit on the beach with a bullhorn, and anytime somebody pulled out their wedgie, I just go, "You nasty!" If I had more money, ooh, money, money, money. Money is my bitch. My bitch is my money. I'm so graphic. I can't have no video without no kind of profanity in it. I don't know what's wrong with me. Let's keep black wealth building going, all right? Have vision and stay focused. Namaste.